Hi guys, welcome to Triang Manmoji channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on nature. So let's start. Nature is the beautiful environment that surrounds us. It includes trees, flowers, blue skies, rivers, fish, animals, sun, moon, colorful rainbows, etc. We humans are also part of nature. We get water from nature. Nature provides fruits and vegetables to nourish our bodies. Oxygen and sunlight in nature are also essential for life on earth. People who live close to nature live a healthier life. Mother Nature nourishes us and protects us from a lot of harms. We should not pollute our nature and protect nature. If we protect nature today, Mother Nature will continue protecting in the future. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.